Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to add a payment method on Remitly. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your Remitly application from your app drawer. Make sure to sign into your account like you normally do. Once you're signed into the account, from the main homepage of Remitly, go ahead and tap on Manage at the bottom right corner. Once you open up the Manage interface, go ahead and tap on the Payment Methods option. To add a payment method, tap on the Add button at the top right and enter the payment details. Start off by typing in your debit card or your credit card number in the first text box. Enter the expiry date for the card, the CVV code, and then enter your name that appears on the card. After you are done entering your payment details and the billing address on this page, tap on the Save button, and you will then be able to add a Remitly payment method. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.